Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be lightening my client and toning her a more cooler tone other than a warm tone. Also too, if you guys are new here and want to follow my Instagram is at hair by Ashley Ann. I will link it right here. And also too, if you guys want to see more videos like this, I have more, so don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button for more. So starting off, I'm going to be using my Schwartzkopf Blonde and I'm just going to be doing one scoop, and I'm also going to be using a 30 volume developer. Now, I always don't measure it, but I always like to eyeball it. I'm not really so much like on critiquing on like a certain amount, but I usually like it when it's a little bit runny, especially when I'm doing blonde. So for my client today, she is dry, so I'm going to be using some Olaplex, and this is going to help protect the hair from getting damaged. And I'm just adding a little bit, and I'm going to be mixing this all the way through. Super important that you mix the Olaplex all throughout and not just on top, that way it gets all throughout the bleach. So for this, I'm going to be starting in the back, and I'm going to be doing a weave, kind of like a baby light, and I'm going to be leaving some dimension out as well. And I'm just going to be taking this and, like I said, almost in a way, kind of like if you were doing a highlight, and this is just a foilage. So I'm just going to be foiling it. Of course, I do want to get her a lot more lighter today and break some of that warmth from her hair. So the foil is going to help me lift the hair a lot more better. Now I'm going to repeat this same process all the way up the head, and you guys will see here in a little bit. I do go off of the sides where she pulls her hair up because she is a nurse, so she wears her hair up a lot often. And so I'm going to be doing a little bit more thicker pieces here in a little bit, as you guys could see, but I'm going to be doing this all the way to the top of the head. And really quickly, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about something before people start coming at me in the comments. For one, in order to get your hair lighter, you have to bleach it again. Now, a lot of times people like to say, oh my gosh, I can't believe that you overlap the bleach on lightened hair. You have to in order to get light. Color does not live color if you were to put a color. So you have to use bleach, of course, but you got to do it the right way. Now, let's say my client had very severe damaged hair and I knew that she was going to break, then of course I would stop and I would tell her that I wouldn't be able to do her hair because we do not want breakage. So I want to go ahead and kind of claim that really quick before a lot of people kind of get mad and start seeing me do that. You have to do it whenever it comes down to it. You have to just use your common sense and make sure the hair is not damaged. And if you feel like she is strong enough and healthy, then of course you can overlap, but also to just use it to your own advantage. So for the top, I am doing a thin baby weave, and I'm just going to be applying this as normal. Now what I'm going to be doing underneath, as you guys will see right here, I'm going to lift and take the hair that is not in the foil. I'm going to do another weave, and this is going to make it look like just some pieces are a lot more thicker, especially up on top, so you see a bright blonde. So now for the front sides, I'm going to be taking a slice and back combing. What back combing is going to do is just apply a better blend, so when the hair is straight, you see just a better blend. That's all it really does. But I'm going to be doing this slice because with my client, she likes to wear her hair up a lot. When she has it up in a ponytail or a bun, you're going to see bright pieces, especially around the face frame. Now with this, I'm just going to be doing this all the way up to the top, and I'm going to also do the other side, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys on how I do these sides because a lot of you guys asked for that in one of my videos. So this is the side that I'm doing, and then whatever I do on this side will be done on the other. So now she is all foiled and I'm going to be letting her sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I rinsed her out and I did use Olaplex number 3. And what I am doing right here is I'm going in with a kind of root tap. And I'm going in with Matrix Color Sync 4A. And this is an ash color just to get rid of any warm and unwanted tones, especially at that hairline. So now for toner, I'm using toner Redken Shades EQ in 10N, 9P, 8T, and 8NA. These are all cool tones, so that's what I'm going to be using today. These work really, really well. I highly recommend for anybody who has clients that want like those really cool tone blondes. They work amazing. Just look at that color right there. So I'm just going to be blow drying her. Keep in mind that I did shampoo and condition her. And yeah, let's just go ahead and see how the outcome looks. Okay everyone, so this is the final look. It is so gorgeous. I was honestly so proud of myself for doing this color. It feels so good to be back at work and making videos for you guys. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and as you guys could see, that 4 ash just blended it so natural to the rest of the hair. And I highly recommend using that 4 ash if anybody lifts kind of a little warmth on that top. But I will be back with more videos, guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon.